guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Received in the mail yesterday another new package for review. I opened it up and it is yet another jump starter. This is a portable car jump starter and it's made by POWRUN. Another crazy name from one of those Chinese manufacturers, but they seem to work pretty well. I'm just going to unbox this really quick and we'll see what this is all about. As you guys know, portable jump starters for your car, whenever your battery runs out of life, or you leave your doors open at night, or your trunk and the dome light is on, drains all the battery out of your car. So the next day when you're ready to go to school or go to work, your car won't start. Sometimes you gotta pull out one of those really heavy jump starters. And now with technology, it's really come a long way. They have lithium ion batteries in here that pack a big punch. This is a 2000 amp jump starter, equivalent to 18,000 milliamps per hour. This could jumpstart a car with an 8-liter engine or a 6.5-liter diesel engine for a truck. So it tells you about how strong these things are these days. Got a warranty card here, a user manual, which we don't need because this is all self-explanatory. These are the jumper cables with the smart intelligent module, which protects against putting it on wrong. If you put the positive on the negative and the negative on the positive, or if you touch these things, it'll give you an error warning, which tells you that something's wrong. Recheck your connection, and it gives you some readouts over here to tell you when it's ready to go or not. It has reverse, correct, or boost. So this indicator over here tells you if you have the connectors on wrong, or if you're reversed, or there's an error. So very intelligent these days. It also comes with a regular charger, plug into your wall. You have to make sure that these things are fully charged when you put them in your glove compartment or your trunk. It also has an attachment for if you want to charge up or power your cigarette lighter items, like maybe a portable air compressor or a tire inflator that requires a cigarette lighter input. You can use this as a power bank. Also comes with a USB-C type USB cord for charging, or if you wanted to recharge your batteries of your iPhone or your Samsung Galaxy. And here it is right here, the POWRUN battery power bank station and jump starter module. It actually has a compass on here too, which is unique. Also, when you turn on the power, it should tell you the amount of power it has in it. Right now it says 82%, so we want to charge this up to 100% later on, but it's enough for us to demonstrate for you. If you push the power button for 3 seconds, an LED light goes on. Okay, that's at night, you can see what you're doing, put the connectors on correctly. And if you tap it again, it has a warning light so that if you're changing a tire or something, you can put this on the ground so that oncoming cars or the cars behind you don't hit you, and see that you're in some distress. If you're really in some distress, this is the universal signal for SOS, which is help, dot, 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 dash, 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 That you can signal, if you're like Tom Hanks on an island or something like that, you can signal planes and say, hey, SOS, I need help. So very handy to help you to have. Just press it again and it resets again. So 82%, and then all we have to do is plug in your, there's an opening over here, rubber grommet, and you could plug in your module Okay, not there, but here. This is the USB connection for your cell phones, if you have a cell phone to charge. And then if you have an item that has a cigarette lighter, you can plug that in here and you can power that too. Here's a USB-C cord. You can plug into your USB and you can charge your phones with the USB-C. And also, over here is your module input for your jumper cables. And you can only plug it in one way. Plug in your module for the jumper cables and you're ready to go. Also, if you wanted to recharge this from 82 to 100, you would insert the plug and you would charge the module this way. So let's give this a test, eh? So this is my old lawn tractor that I'm fixing, and the battery is dead. The battery is terrible, okay? So we're gonna connect, well, let me show you first that it doesn't start at all. Completely dead. Now we'll attach this onto here.
What are you doing today, Henry?
And as you can see, it's connected correctly. Now let's give it a try. So we got it attached. You see the green light is on, which means it's connected correctly. Let's see if it starts now. So really cool item, isn't it? Nice plastic case, LED indicator of the amount of power that you have left. I really like the idea of having a little compass here, because you could take this hiking and stuff, and this will, you know, get you through the night for sure if you get lost. You know, you have warning lights, you have power, you can charge your iPhone if you don't have any more battery life, and it tells you which direction you're going, you know. Really cool item. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. It's not very expensive and it's a must-have. Just get it, charge it up to 100%, throw it in the glove box of your car or put it in your trunk somewhere, and this will definitely help you out in a pinch. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers!